Ever wish you could resolve customer questions in record time? In this demo, we'll use Copilot to turn your data into a quick response guide. Here we have an Excel workbook with customer inquiries. Open Copilot by selecting the icon in the top right corner. Here's an effective prompt you can use. Generate a categorized quick response guide in a Word document for common inquiries found on this sheet. Enter the prompt and watch Copilot work its magic. While we have a brief moment, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Microsoft Learn if you want more tips and tricks. Okay, and finally, download and review your file. And that's it. Now you know how to create a quick response guide in less than a minute. Stick around. There's still so much more to learn about Copilot. Subscribe today and we'll see you in the next video.